Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add a related post feature to your WordPress website using responsive theme. To get started, you need to install and activate responsive theme. Now, visit the responsive theme customizer by going to your blog post and clicking on the customize option at the top. Click on blog archive option and then select single post. Now scroll down and tick the enable related post checkbox to display content on your blog. Choose from the customization options available here and start editing. Here you get the option to change the title, alignment and number of posts to display. You can also choose whether to fetch content based on categories or tags. You can hide or disable any elements by clicking the eye icon next to the element's name, and you can reorganize the elements by dragging and dropping them. Once you're done, click on the publish button. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such tutorials.